In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background in Payhip. If you want to give your Payhip store a fresh new look, changing the background color is a quick and simple way to do it. This can help your storefront feel more on-brand, more polished, and more visually appealing to visitors. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can make the update smoothly. Start by going to your Payhip dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your store, products, and design settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option called Customize Store Design and click on it. This will take you into the area where you can control the appearance of your storefront. From there, click on Customize Design. This opens the design editor where you'll be able to adjust different parts of your store's visual style. If you're new to this section, don't worry. The layout is designed to be pretty straightforward, and the option we need is easy to find. Next, click on Change Store Style. This is where Payhip groups together design-related settings, including color options. After that, click on Colors. Inside the Color section, you'll see the available color settings for your store. Now, click on the blue color option. This is the part where you're actually changing the background color setting shown in this walkthrough. As soon as you select it, you should see the design update in the preview area, which is helpful because it lets you check how the new background looks before making it live. Take a moment to make sure it matches the overall feel you want for your store. Once you're happy with the change, click Save Changes. This is an important step because it stores your updated design settings. If you leave the page without saving, your new background color may not be kept. After saving, click Publish. Publishing pushes the saved design changes live, so your customers can actually see the updated background on your store. Without this final step, the changes may remain only in the editor and not appear on your public storefront. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background in Payhip. If you're updating your store design, it's always a good idea to review the rest of the page afterward to make sure the colors still work well with your text, buttons, and product images. A small design change can make a big difference in how professional your store feels.